We have enough for the first basket.
Bring the pole, there are more up there.
These are ready for the city market. Make sure they are secure before you leave.
The flow rate seems high on this batch.
I'll adjust the speed now.
The flow rate is optimal at 500 liters per hour.
Good. The bricks levels are stable.
We need more cartons over here.
Bringing them now?
This one looks good. It's the new mango flavor.
Yes, let's get 2 bottles for the party tonight.